Topik seterusnya ialah untuk tentukan coefficient of determination ataupun R square. Okey, is the proportion, R square is the proportion of the total variation in the dependent Y that explained by the variation in the independent variable X. Okey, so kat sini apa yang kita dah belajar sebelum ni dalam example 7.1, R kita 0.759 dan kita dah conclude strong relationship between the variables. However, the terms weak, moderate and strong are ambiguous because they do not provide a precise meaning. So a measure that has a more easily interpret meaning is the coefficient of determination. So referring, maksudnya refer kepada example 7.1. Kita punya R kita 0.759. Kita squarekan kita punya R kita tu. So nilai baru kita R squared ialah 0.576. So kat sini apa yang kita boleh buat, apa yang kita boleh tulis ialah this is a proportion or percent. So we can say that 57.6% of the variation in the number of software sold is explained by the variation in number of call. Thus, R square indicate the percent of variation in the response variable Y that is explained by the variation in the predictor variable X.